Hi guys, good evening. So today I just wanted to do a quick summary of where we are in terms of the major indices and what could possibly play out over the next coming week. So if you look at Nifty on a daily time frame, we have a confirmed stage 4 and a lower low structure playing out. Uh, though we have now fallen a lot, even we extended up to about 3% from 50 DMA. So it is also getting close to the longer term support regions. So it's a possibility that we may see a bounce coming sometime next week itself or the week after. And if you look at other indices as well, say CNX 500 is also bounced off this support. If you look at um, mid cap index, it's also very close to this region. If you look at 200, then that's also coming very close to the long term supports and pivot zones. So it is a possibility that we may get a bounce, and Nifty could possibly uh, from here test out maybe 50 DMA or even this pivot here before getting sold out from there. So this is where we'll have to see how the pullback happens, and then whether we go, um, whether we bounce up from here or we fall further. So that we will have to see. On the positive side, we have a lot of good macro coming in. Uh, we have printed a lower inflation this time, which is really good. RBI has been injecting a lot of liquidity, and the government capex numbers coming in for Jan and Feb are really good. So and of course RBI has started the rate cut cycle as well, though it will take time for that to play out. But these are positives for the market in the medium term at least. So the government is doing both everything on both the monetary side and the fiscal side, and trying to support the economy. And we have to see how that reflects in the both the coming Q4 results and the Q1 results for FY26. So now from the near term, we may get a bounce, like I said, and then we have to see whether uh, we are ready to form a base in this region, or we start falling even further from here. Um, if you look at the global indices, I think the dollar has come down to 103, which is really good and positive. Though the USD INR is still hovering around the 86, 87 region, which is not showing much of a weakness, and that is not a good sign for the Indian markets. You need the dollar to stabilize. Oil is, has been a positive because it's come down now. It tested around 68. It's bounced up to 70, but it's holding in this region. And of course, if you look at S&P has had a deep fall from here, but it could stabilize in this region. And the most important aspect right now is the 10-year yield, which seems to be stabilizing around the 4.3 region. It has come down from the 4.8 to 4.3, and it would be really good uh, if it comes down to test out, below 4 or even up to 3.5 kind of a range, and that would be really really positive for both the US markets and the Indian markets. So it's a wait and watch approach for now. Don't be in a hurry to buy. You may want to, if you are a trader, you may want to just try and trade this up move here, but be careful because this might get sold into, and we need to really form a base before we can start longer term up move and a stage 2 structure in the next few months. So let's see how that plays out. Thank you guys.